made for a living. Paint the moments, it's a gift worth giving. Brush strokes while the canvas gleams in this vibrant world of dreams. Colors fly and my heart is grinning. Every day a fresh beginning. Masterpiece in every stride, with my passion as my guide. Life is art, feel the beat inside. We're alive in the paint we cry. Create your world, let the colors run. In this gallery we've just begun. No mistakes, only happy surprises. Inspiration in all.
How's it
Hi.
going?
Hot.
Hot. Yeah, it's steaming out here.
Very hot.
Oh man, but we're getting through it, right?
Yeah. Slowly
Slowly,
melting.
198 degrees at a time. No.
Yeah, I'm wearing all black today.
Uh-huh.
So this piece is called Strength in Vulnerability, and as you can see, it is a very strong tree, but if you look at the bottom, it's perched on the bank of a river, and showing here how, you know, it's weak. And what that depicts is most of us, we put this thing to the world that we're strong, and inside we may be crumbling, but we haven't got the strength to actually connect with other people and tell them the truth behind what we're hiding. That's what that's about.
Strength and vulnerability.
In vulnerability, yes.
Beautiful.
No mistakes, only happy surprises. Inspiration in all sizes. From the dawn to setting sun, our creation's never done. Feel the flow, let it take you higher. Dreams igniting a blaze of fire.
As well. How's it going for you?
Well, good. It's really nice out here. Good weather. My name is Eric Khan, so I'm the artist. These are my paintings.
Where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria, but I'm based here in Atlanta.
Based in Atlanta.
Yes.
Cool. Anything you want to tell about yourself, about your pieces?
Well, I started painting at the age of 7. I was trained by my father. He's also an artist from Nigeria. So I came down here in the States. I was invited for an art show here. So ever since then, I've been exhibiting my paintings, and now I started doing festivals here in Atlanta to show Atlanta people my paintings, let them have the feel of African art.
Super dope.
Thank
Cool.
you.
Where can they find you?
They can follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is African Art.
Okay. Cool.
Thank you.
Perfect.
In the rhythm, find your part. Life is art, so play your heart. Life is art, feel the beat inside. We're alive in the paint we cry. Create your world, let the colors run. In this gallery we've just begun.
How's it going? Good. Good. Everything is well. What's your name?
Diana.
Diana.
Yeah, Diana Romano.
Super dope. How long have you been doing art?
I paint all my life because my parents are artists, and I finished art college in Ukraine.
Oh,
Yeah.
super dope. What do you want to tell the people and what do you want to show?
I paint landscape and abstract works and some portraits. Yeah.
What-
And I use acrylic on canvas and oil.
Okay, so you do oil painting too? Very nice. Which one has a story behind it you want to share with the people?
Some works when I travel and I see nature and I take a picture and I paint with all my love and soul. Yeah, and some works just came from my mind. Like for example, this one you can see as waterfall or just abstract, and this one is mountain. I paint from my mind too.
Super dope.
Yeah.
Cool. So where can they find you at?
I do some shows in Georgia, Atlanta, and I travel in different states like Florida, New York, and Chicago. Yeah, and I post on my website and Instagram.
Cool. What's your website and your Instagram?
DianaRomano.com. Yeah, and Diana Romano on my Instagram.
Cool. Awesome.
Life is art, feel the beat inside. We're alive in the paint we glide. Create your world, let the colors run. In this gallery we've just begun.
I do with my fingernails before I lacquer them, bake them. These are tough. You can feel.
What are they made from?
High-grade industrial wire mesh. So all that gradation, shape, and form that I manipulate with my fingernails, these are all made by hand. It's based on a thing called cross-hatching. And because the material is predominantly transparent, you pass various types of light through, you get a detailed drawing of the
Wow, they're beautiful.
Very dope.
I love those.
Nice sculpture. Transparent shadow. Super dope.
So happy, surprising. Inspiration in all sizes. From the dawn to setting sun. Our creation's never done. Feel the flow, let it take you higher. Dreams ignite in a blaze of fire. In the rhythm, find your part. Life is art, so play your heart. Life is art, feel the beat inside. We're alive in the paint we glide. Create your